It's a corn header. Look at there. Oh, good morning, y'all. I just came back from John Deere, and I had to go pick up parts. So, you guys. And I wanted to show you guys this. I'm thinking about riding on the combine today. I'm not for sure. So, I can show y'all how the corn is cut. Wow, they lose a lot of corn, though. Look at this right there. Looks like they lose a lot. Right there. Man. Man. Alrighty. What you finna do, Dexter? Do it all? Huh?
My new gun.
Look.
Y'all see my new gun?
I just went and picked that gun up.
Woo, it's ready to go now.
Now what you finna do with it?
It do to me.
Huh? It got a button on it, huh? It ain't like the other one. You gotta prime it. What happened?
I'll do it.
It should be primed, but there it go. There it go. Whoa, yeah.
Look at it. Watch it.
Oh! Yeah. Yeah, most of them eat grease. I had to run the store and get that, and y'all hear the corn that it cutting. So this may be on Dexter's channel or my channel, I don't know for sure, but I do need to put this phone number up here so y'all can see about the grain cart. What you say, a 700, 750? 750 or bigger. And you guys can let us know. We might can drive to pick it up, or we want to know, do you ship so we can pick it up. Dexter, do it all with your GoPro. The big truck? Oh, you got footage for me. You got your extra chip? Y'all, Dexter do it all, really slacking. He say he worked too much now. So that means I gotta come get the footage. Let's see what's up there. Sit up here, on here. Look totally different from that, remember we're cutting beans? Look totally different from corn. It's corn header. Look at that pecan tree. When I get down, I'm gonna show y'all how big them pecans is. It's a lot of them on that tree too. Let me see, can you see? Pecans all on that tree. Can y'all see them? Hopefully when I get down, I'll pull one of the limbs down. Look at them. Dexter, when they gonna get a video from you?
When you post?
Yeah, right. Y'all, he been doing a lot of his videos with the camera on his phone. I prefer the GoPro because I prefer to take them and put them on my computer and edit them, and I gotta go in there and find everything that need to be found. Boy, sometimes he send me the same video twice and I didn't put it in there, and then it's like an edit twice. I'm like, oh God, I gotta take that out. Y'all, editing is no joke with Dexter do it all. Y'all, I need a haircut, don't I? Look at my hair. Oh my God, one thing about this camera, it shows it all. All of it. Now they gotta let this head down off the heat down. They done greased it up. So now I gotta do a little bit more work before they start cutting corn. Let me get close up on here and let y'all see since I'm closer. Look at that. Look at all these pecans right here. Pecan.
back on. Time to turn the front on. Uh-oh, there it goes. There it goes. 977, go eat, baby, go eat. Drop your head a little bit more. Go down a little bit. Drop your head a little bit more. I would ride on the side of it, but it's just up there. I say raining over that, raining towards that way. See what we can do right quick. Y'all can see it getting darker and darker back there. Getting darker and darker. Kind of light up this way here, but it's coming from back there. Getting darker and darker. That lightning. Just gonna get it on off right now.